Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Siddhartha Devari, and I was getting treated in Care Hospital for a dangerous symptom called GBS, Guillain-Barré syndrome, in which both of my limbs and my entire body was paralyzed, and I was unable to move. So, after a certain level of treatment, I was brought to this physiotherapy center and rehabilitation center. The name is Hospice Homes, and it is run by extremely professional people, and I am thankful to them that now I am unable to slowly walk and do my own daily work without depending on anyone. So thank you Hospice Homes and all the physiotherapists and all the nursing staff and the other staff for helping me stand on my own leg. Namaskar.